Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a crocodile while we learn Spanish. We draw his sharp fangs. This is the nose. That is said, NARIZ. We draw the head. That in Spanish is said, CABEZA. And now we draw the hand. That is said, MANO. We draw its tail. That in Spanish is said, cola. We draw its leg, which in Spanish is pata. Now we draw the eyes. That in Spanish is said, OJOS. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say FANG in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now let's go with the green color, which in Spanish is VERDE. Very good! Now we use light green, that in Spanish is said, verde claro. Let's see if you know the answer. FANG in Spanish is colmillo. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!